Here on the screen, you can see a lady, Muslim lady, having hijab or head covered, and she is a gym trainer. And today we are going to show you what she says that why she started gym. First, listen her, then we will talk about her.
You.
I'm 45.
How old were you when you first started going to the gym?
I was 37 when I started lifting weights.
Tell me why you started to go to the gym at the age of 37.
I wanted to lose weight. I wanted to get a bit skinny.
What health issues were you struggling at the age of 37?
I didn't have any health issues, but just looking at the magazines and on TV, looking at these skinny models, I just wanted to be like them. And
Do you
As you listen, our Muslima sister, who is a coach or a gym trainer, and she was telling that she idolizes skinny models who project their bodies to the media or the people. That's what she tell, that she idolizes skinny models. That's what she told the Muslim public, or to the youth. But that's not what Islam teaches. You tell me that those skinny models, you go and ask their lifestyle, their body surgeries, their body treatments, their cosmetic surgeries, then you will know what those skinny models are doing. But being a Muslima lady, all Muslim men and women should go and read the Quran, that what Quran tell them to follow. The main theme of Islam is Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, the last and the final prophet. And he tell us, the Quran tell us that we should, being a man or woman, we should follow him. Okay, for Muslim ladies, they should go and idolize the Fatima or the Aisha. Mean they should idolize the ladies of the Prophet's house, like wife of the Prophet, like daughter of the Prophet. And you will never find any daughter or any wife of the Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam that they project their bodies like skinny models. Mashallah. No, no one you will see that they do these things, and they just focus on building their families. They just focus on building their like you would say the family members, like Hassan, like Hussein. What you think that you being a gym coach, or you spent your life a big part of your day in the gym, and you think that you can build people, or you can build son like Hassan or Hussein or Zainab? No, you can never do that. Okay, so Muslim ladies has a circle of their house, that they are the main building part of the family. So, Muslim women or ladies or girls should do exercise, but at home. They can go to the park, but with certain guardians, their father, their son, or their husband, or their brothers, so that what modesty Islam demands, that fulfill on the way. Okay, and Muslim women should also learn from the YouTube and different social media platforms that there are hundreds of exercises they can do at their home, and they are not exposed to the society, and they do those exercises at home, and they can maintain their health, they can maintain their body, they can still be a skinny, but not like those skinny models what this our respected lady was presenting as role model. Okay, so they should focus on their body fitness, but not like those skinny models who are doing cosmetic treatments just for posing or just for photo shoots. Okay, so Allah bless our Muslim sisters.